Hi friends, let me take you on an exciting journey into the heart of Stoicism and introduce you to Stoic philosophy. Please support me by subscribing to this channel and liking the content. Also, share your thoughts with me in the form of comments. Stay calm, like a Stoic. The teachings of Epictetus. Number 1. Distinguish internals from externals. Epictetus taught me to distinguish between what I can control internals and what I can't externals. This powerful insight transformed my life. I focus on my thoughts, actions, and reactions, letting go of worries about others' opinions or random events. By mastering this skill, I stay calm and collected, ready to tackle any challenge head-on. Let's embrace this wisdom and find peace within. Number 2. Practice detachment. Embracing Epictetus's wisdom, I practice detachment from outcomes. This means I do my best in every situation but let go of the need to control results. By focusing on my efforts rather than the outcome, I find tranquility and freedom from stress. It's thrilling to realize that true peace comes from within, not from external success. Join me in practicing this liberating detachment. Number 3. Focus on present duties. Epictetus taught me to focus on present duties, igniting a sense of purpose and clarity. By concentrating on the task at hand, I avoid the anxiety of future worries and regrets about the past. This simple yet profound approach keeps me grounded and effective, turning each moment into an opportunity for excellence. Let's embrace the present and unleash our full potential together. Number 4. Keep desires in check. Learning from Epictetus, I keep my desires in check, finding joy in simplicity. By not overindulging in wants, I avoid unnecessary stress and disappointment. This practice empowers me to appreciate what I have and stay grounded. It's exhilarating to see how minimalism can bring such profound contentment. Join me in this journey towards a balanced and fulfilling life. Number 5. Understand impermanence. Epictetus's teaching on impermanence opened my eyes to life's fleeting nature. I embrace change and accept that nothing lasts forever. This understanding allows me to cherish moments and stay resilient during tough times. It's exciting to live with this awareness, turning each day into a precious adventure. Let's celebrate impermanence and find strength in life's ever-changing journey. Number 6. Maintain perspective. Epictetus's wisdom on maintaining perspective transformed my outlook on life. By seeing the bigger picture, I avoid getting bogged down by minor setbacks. This practice helps me stay calm and focused, knowing that most troubles are temporary. It's invigorating to navigate life with a clear, balanced mind. Let's cultivate this perspective together and thrive in every situation. Number 7. Be prepared for setbacks. Epictetus taught me to be prepared for setbacks, turning challenges into opportunities for growth. By expecting and accepting difficulties, I stay resilient and undeterred. This proactive mindset keeps me calm and resourceful, ready to overcome any obstacle. It's thrilling to face life with such confidence and strength. Join me in embracing setbacks as stepping stones to success. I hope these Stoic teachings are useful and effective for you. My goal is to make your life better and more enjoyable. I will accompany you in this interesting and meaningful magazine.